Okay, so this tool, Duolingo, is great for anyone who wants to learn a second language. So I decided to pick Spanish because that's what I'm taking here at NIU. So I guess I'm going to show you a lesson that we have. There's a couple different things you could do. Home, just our home page. Words, see what that's all about. It's just got all the basic words, definitions, and things like that. And it shows you your strengths and weaknesses. Last time we practiced was 6 days ago, so I made a goal of 5 minutes a day, but I haven't really been doing that because, well, I take Spanish up here, so. But it probably would be good to touch up on the basic skills, words you learned that you went over. Yo, which means me or I. Una, just it's like one, but in the feminine form, which isn't important for this project, but part of speech, pronoun, demeanor, noun, demeanor. Verb, soy is short for the verb, is the yo form. I am, I'm, be, for to be. See right there, it'll show you the one, you, own, a, and one. Then una is a and one as well, but feminine, obviously. I, mujer, woman, wife, lady, man, guy, girl, child. And that's on the words. Discussion. I don't know what that is. It's just something stupid. Stuff. Duolingo Labs. Not really sure what this is just yet. But let's do a lesson real quick. So, do that real quick. So here's all the choices you can do. Okay. What does this do? Nope, no notifications from me. Alright, so here we are again. Basics. Here we go. Start. This is lesson. Select the word for apple. Here's a visual. La manzana. I like how they have visuals because sometimes visual learning can just help you remember a little more than just strict books. Write this phrase in English. Usted come manzanas. Alright. So I'm pretty sure it's you, but uh-oh. Then you go, oh, you hear it too. I don't think it's doing well. Okay, well, this sucks. Type in English. Alright, comer. He eats apples. Actually, it might be the man eats apples. Instead, it's kind of too. Okay. Oh, it's you eat apples. Okay. Continue. Well, I guess it would be good to touch up. There's another one. Usted es una mujer. So I think it's a little tricky one. You are a woman. I don't think it is you. I think it's she. It might be you. It might be you. It was you. I was right the first time. Alright. So even if you get it wrong, you're still Doing good. Alright. You eat apples. 2 comas manzanas. That was easy. What? Oh, comes. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay. Anyways, alright. He is a child. I hope this is what they're looking for. There's a couple. There's a couple. There you go. She is a child. I like this a lot because in Spanish class, you get kind of like you don't write Spanish to English. It's more like English to Spanish. So it's just another way to learn, which I like. I think it complements learning Spanish. I think you got to do both. I like it. She is a woman. Ella es una mujer. Well, let's see. Oh, there you go. Usted come apples. Apples. There it is. I'll have to do this. See, the ones you get wrong, you do again. You are a check. Oh, you eat apples. Tú comes manzanas. Correcto. And there it is. That's the lesson. Thank you for watching.